Welcome to my channel. How to log into Optimum router. First, open a browser and type http://router.optimum.net in the address bar. Second, enter your Optimum ID and password and click Sign In. Third, you will be logged in to the Optimum router settings. If you are using your own Optimum-compatible modem, you may be able to log into the router settings through the router IP address. You will be logged into the Optimum router settings. Or you will be logged into the Optimum router settings. How to change Optimum Wi-Fi password and network name. First, log into the Optimum router settings. Second, from the My Wi-Fi network option, click More. Third, enter the Wi-Fi network name in the network name field. Fourth, enter the Wi-Fi password in the password field. Fifth, click Save. Thank you for watching.